Hello, Ashley. I thought I will show you how to go about solving the equation that you just asked me. The Something simpler actually. Let's suppose that you're doing this here. Okay. The rules that we use in algebra allows us to solve this here. Well, one of the rules says that you can add each side the same number and the equation does not change. So using that rule, I can take advantage of it and say, all right, so if I want to get rid of this number here, I want to get rid of this number here because I'm solving for x. The question is, what is x? So to say what is x, that means that I have to get rid of this thing here to leave the x by itself. So that rule tells me that I can add the two sides the same object, and I just did. And the reason why that rule works is because that here makes a zero. So the question actually is trying to force and make a zero out of that. And by doing that, 0 plus x, it gives you the answer actually. That is the trick. Simple as that. So then the answer in this little example that I give you is simply 7. 5 plus 2 is 7, and that is the end of it. So I'm going to do yours now. Um, Yours reads negative 3/4 plus y equals 5/8. That's yours. Okay, the same idea. You can add the two sides the same number. In this case, I'm trying to make a zero out of this here. So it should be just the same number but positive. Add that number. But making it positive, then this turns into 0 again. So that turns into 0, and now you have your answer there, which is the y. 0 plus y is y. A new little thing here is that to be able to add these two here, you at the moment you can't. You have to have the same denominator. So here we're trying to force to be the same denominator 8 to the two sides. I mean the two terms here, this one and this one here. So to be able to place it in the same format, you can do a little trick here. You can multiply here by 2, but if you do that here at the bottom, you also do it here in the numerator. By doing that, you have not changed the number because that in turn just means 1. 2 over 2 is 1 actually, so you haven't done anything actually. However, you're able to write the same denominator also, which is now that multiplied 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. Now you have the same denominator. Only when you have the same denominator you can add the two things over there, which would be 5 plus 6, and the answer should be 11 over 8, and that should be your answer there. That's the answer to your question. I hope this helps you. Let me know if you need any other questions, and I will be able to give you some little videos like this here, okay? Good luck, Ashley.